California Registered Agent Review. Should you use it for your luck? Most people get registered agents wrong by assuming you can handle all legal correspondence yourself. In 2025, using a California registered agent has clear advantages for LLC owners. A registered agent receives legal documents, service of process, and official state notices on behalf of your business. You won't believe what happens next. This ensures you never miss deadlines, which can protect your LLC from fines or legal issues. The surprising truth is that registered agents also provide privacy. Your personal address is listed publicly, reducing unwanted solicitation and keeping your personal information secure. Many services also offer digital document access, so you can view notices anytime online. California requires all LLCs to maintain a registered agent, whether an individual or a service. Using a professional service provides reliability, compliance, and peace of mind, especially if you travel or run a home-based business. Pricing is typically affordable, often ranging from $2 per year. In conclusion, a California registered agent in 2025 is a smart choice for the LLC owners. It ensures compliance, protects your privacy, and gives you timely access to important documents. For most businesses, the convenience and legal protection far outweigh the cost.